I would say that ReferPro is definitely worth it. Like I said, I walked into the job only 3 months on the job, and they said, "We need a referral program." And I said, "How am I going to set this up? I got to start from scratch. I need this, I need a landing page, I need all of these components." And this is just, you buy the product or the service, and it's easy to use. I don't want to say a lifesaver, but I was like, how am I going to do this? And it's been perfect for us. Our referral process in the past has really just been word of mouth. We had no way of capturing that revenue before. We didn't know how to manage it. There wasn't really a process in place. So with ReferPro, we basically off the shelf bought a product that has all the components that we need and makes it easy for us. We can see what's coming in, what's turning into sales. We got over $100,000 in through ReferPro. We reward about $25 to $50 per referral, so it's not a major investment compared to how much a lead would cost. So I'm paying somebody $50 for a $18,000 to $20,000 install. The math just makes sense.